Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 13, and that is on the row level security. And here is the question. What happens if a user is not assigned to any RLS role? Answer A is, or option A I should say, is the user can see all data. User cannot see any data. The user can see only their own data. Finally, D, the user can see default subset of data. So what do you think is the right option from these four options? So if you want to attempt more questions like this, what I have done is created the question bank, the Power BI question bank. And this question bank helps you test your skills in the DAX, Power BI service, modeling, visualizations, Power Query, so things like those, so that you are fully prepared and know where you are standing from the perspective of Power BI certification. With that, for this, the link is present in the description. You can buy this question bank and test your skills. And I will be releasing few more question banks, as this is the question bank number 1. I'm already working on the part 2. So the link is present in description, and along with this link, a couple of other links to join my private group where I give more announcements, and also the link is for where I keep all of my videos related to Power BI for easily searching. So with that, thank you so much. I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.